Welcome to VU Gate. Today, we are covering the most important MCQs of CS408, human-computer interaction, to ensure you're fully prepared for your exams. Question 1. Which heuristic principle emphasizes minimizing the user's memory load? The correct answer is option B, consistency and standards. Question 2. In Fitts' law, the time required to move to a target is a function of. The correct answer is option C, target size and distance. Question 3. The term affordance in HCI refers to. The correct answer is option C, properties that show how an object can be used. Question 4. Which evaluation method involves observing users in their natural environment? The correct answer is option D, field study. Question 5. The Think Aloud protocol is primarily used for. The correct answer is option B, understanding users' cognitive processes. Question 6. Which model describes the interaction between users and systems in terms of goals, operators, methods, and selection rules? The correct answer is option B, GOMS model. Question 7. A persona in user-centered design is. The correct answer is option C, a fictional character representing a user group. Question 8. Which type of prototype is fully functional but not necessarily efficient? The correct answer is option C, high-fidelity prototype. Question 9. The Hickman law relates to. The correct answer is option C, reaction time based on number of choices. Question 10. What does WIMP stand for in interface design? The correct answer is option B, windows, icons, menus, pointing device. Question 11. Which usability metric measures how quickly users can complete tasks? The correct answer is option B, efficiency. Question 12. The Norman's action cycle includes how many stages? The correct answer is option C, 7. Question 13. Cognitive walkthrough focuses on evaluating. The correct answer is option C, ease of learning for new users. Question 14. What does HCD stand for? The correct answer is option C, human-centered design. Question 15. Which law states that reaction time increases with the number of choices? The correct answer is option C, Hicks' law. Question 16. The magic number 7 plus or minus 2 is associated with. The correct answer is option B, human short-term memory capacity. Question 17. SUS in usability evaluation stands for. The correct answer is option B, system usability scale. Question 18. Which is not a component of the contextual inquiry method? The correct answer is option D, laboratory setting. Question 19. A/B testing in HCI involves. The correct answer is option B, comparing two design alternatives. Question 20. The Stroop effect demonstrates interference between. The correct answer is option C, word meaning and color naming. Question 21. Which design principle suggests grouping related items together? The correct answer is option B, proximity. Question 22. Accessibility in HCI primarily ensures that systems are usable by. The correct answer is option B, people with disabilities. Question 23. The KLM model estimates time based on. The correct answer is option B, primitive keystroke level actions. Question 24. Effective computing deals with. The correct answer is option B, emotion recognition and simulation. Question 25. Which evaluation method uses a set of usability criteria? The correct answer is option C, heuristic evaluation. Question 26. Wizard of Oz prototyping involves. The correct answer is option B, a human simulating system responses. Question 27. The Power Law of Practice describes how. The correct answer is option B, performance improves with practice. Question 28. Information sent refers to. The correct answer is option B, clues that help users find information. Question 29. Which is a key component of user experience UX? The correct answer is option C, emotions, attitudes, and perceptions. Question 30. Spatial memory in interface design leverages users' ability to remember. The correct answer is option B, locations of items. Question 31. The Poka-yoke principle in HCI aims to. The correct answer is option B, prevent user errors. Question 32. Gestalt principles are primarily used in? The correct answer is option B, visual design and perception. Question 33. Which testing method records eye movements? The correct answer is option B, eye tracking. Question 34. Progressive disclosure in interface design means? The correct answer is option C, showing only necessary information initially. Question 35. The Midas touch problem in HCI refers to? The correct answer is option B, unintended activation of touch interfaces. Question 36. Flow in user experience is characterized by? The correct answer is option B, intense focus and enjoyment. Question 37. Which is a qualitative usability metric? The correct answer is option C, user satisfaction. Question 38. Ethnography in HCI involves? The correct answer is option B, studying users in their natural context. Question 39. The signal-to-noise ratio in display design refers to? The correct answer is option B, relevant versus irrelevant information. Question 40. Breadcrumbs in navigation help users understand? The correct answer is option B, their location in a website. Question 41. F-shaped pattern in eye tracking studies describes? The correct answer is option B, how users scan web content. Question 42. Cognitive load theory suggests that interfaces should minimize? The correct answer is option B, mental processing demands. Question 43. Persona spectrum in inclusive design considers? The correct answer is option B, temporary, situational, and permanent disabilities. Question 44. Dark patterns in UX are? The correct answer is option B, deceptive design practices. Question 45. Micro-interactions are? The correct answer is option B, small, focused interactions. Question 46. The von Restorff effect predicts that? The correct answer is option B, distinctive items are more memorable. Question 47. Which is a characteristic of direct manipulation interfaces? The correct answer is option A, continuous representation of objects. Question 48. Mental models in HCI are? The correct answer is option A, users' internal representations of systems. Question 49. Accessibility guidelines like WCAG are developed by? The correct answer is option B, W3C. Question 50. Skeuomorphism in interface design refers to? The correct answer is option B, imitating real-world objects. Question 51. The ISO 9241 standard focuses on? The correct answer is option B, ergonomics of human-system interaction. Question 52. Task analysis primarily aims to understand? The correct answer is option A, user goals and how they achieve them. Question 53. Which color combination provides maximum readability? The correct answer is option B, black on white. Question 54. Learnability in usability refers to? The correct answer is option A, how easy it is to use a system for the first time. Question 55. Formative evaluation is conducted? The correct answer is option B, during the design process. Question 56. Error prevention in Nielsen's heuristics means? The correct answer is option A, designing to prevent errors before they occur. Question 57. Card sorting is used to design? The correct answer is option B, information architecture. Question 58. Golden ratio in visual design is approximately? The correct answer is option C, 1:618. Question 59. Memorability in usability means? The correct answer is option A, how easily users re-establish proficiency. Question 60. Gulf of evaluation refers to? The correct answer is option A, difficulty interpreting system state. Question 61. Paper prototyping is most useful for? The correct answer is option A, early concept testing. Question 62. Accessibility features often benefit? The correct answer is option A, all users, not just those with disabilities. Question 63. Iterative design process emphasizes? The correct answer is option A, repeated refinement based on feedback. Question 64, which is not a Gestalt principle? The correct answer is option C, complexity. Question 65. User scenarios are used to? The correct answer is option A, describe specific tasks users perform. Question 66. Multimodal interaction involves using. The correct answer is option A, multiple input-output channels. Question 67. Satisfaction in usability metrics is typically measured via. The correct answer is option A, questionnaires and surveys. Question 68. Cultural dimensions in interface design consider. The correct answer is option A, variations across different cultures. Question 69. Recognition over recall means. The correct answer is option A, showing options rather than requiring memory. Question 70. Usability engineering integrates user concerns. The correct answer is option A, throughout the development lifecycle.